In his speech read on his behalf, the Minister of Works and Transport, Veiko Nekundi, noted that urban transport has remained the least priority pillar of basic public services compared to electricity, water and sanitation.
In fact, it must be a poverty reduction tool, a job enabler, and a vessel of economic participation. If we are to build a Namibia that is inclusive, resilient, and competitive, urban mobility must remain a national development priority. Ladies and gentlemen, without sustainable urban mobility, education, healthcare, and jobs in urban centers remain out of reach for thousands.
The city of Windhoek reiterated that transport is not just about movement, but it is about dignity, opportunity, and equality.
Adequate investment in urban transport infrastructure is often overlooked, despite being equally vital for inclusive urban development.
Urban and Rural Development Deputy Minister noted that there is a greater need that mobility be integrated into spatial planning frameworks, budgeting cycles, and national decentralization goals.
The problem is that urban mobility has never been easy, and talking about budget, money is clearly also an issue that we must overcome. It is thus important to recognize that this development takes time and setbacks and errors are inevitable. However, by learning from the experience, the emerging wave of implementing effective urban mobility, especially in our urban centers, can minimize such challenges and pave the way for sustainable and integrated transport systems.
The conference brought together transport stakeholders to discuss how they can transform Namibia's public transport system by identifying sustainable and actionable urban mobility solutions that can accelerate national development. Juliana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.